Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I will be making a galaxy inspired flower. So let's start. Starting off with resin from Let's Resin, and it's 1 to 1 equal parts resin. It's really easy to mix. It's bubble free, non-toxic, but still you need to wear mask. There is no excuse for this, and your proper gloves. So I am taking part A and B equally, and the amount of resin I need. Now I have taken a circular mold here, and I'm pouring my resin into the mold. Leaving around 15 ml of resin in my container, to which I will be adding different pigments. In first, I will be adding my white pigment paste. And I will be using a black alcohol ink and a blue interference mica, as well as a green interference mica. And for center, I will be using holographic glitter. So as this is a galaxy theme, I will be using lots of sparkles in it. And now I will be using the black alcohol ink, and I will be dropping almost everywhere into the resin, just making it black. I have mixed my green interference mica, and now I'm mixing the blue one. And I will restart drawing the petals in a circular motion all around with these two mica and then with the white pigment paste. So I was really curious to see how these micas will turn out with this black alcohol ink. And I'm just adding and filling up the space now. So I dropped some more alcohol ink on the sides again, and now I'm making petals. Though I really wanted to leave it as it is, but the the person inside me couldn't stop, and I had to make the petals. So after that we will let it cure. So this is the next day, and let's see how it turned out. As I used very little of the white pigment paste, I know that the mica will be taking over the flower. So as it did, I really love it. It's something like a night flower, or I really can't explain it, but I Really like the effect, a fantasy flower. So now I'm doing the top coat. This is very important step for me. No matter how amazing or best the mold is, but I need to top coat it, because after top coating you see a different depth of the flower or any design you're making. As you can see here, as I am blowing the resin, I can see the petals and the flower emerging out of it. This is definitely a flower that has been grown into the galaxy. I really love it. So after doing the top coat, I did the back with the black resin. So it's the same technique I'm doing here. And after doing all my top coat, I will be showing, I mixed holographic glitter into my black. This was the glitter and it's all done now. So these are the final results. The glitter gave it a really different effect. So it really turned out beautiful, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please let me know in comments, and also please do like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye.